Hey guys, welcome to our channel again, India Campus Guru, where we talk about SAP security, cyber security, IT security, and maybe some other things which you love doing it or you wanna share doing it. So we have passionate folks here. We're trying to help whatever we can, and today we are back with our another video around our favorite topic, which is like our monthly topic, which we try to put in a video every month because if you guys don't know, if you already know, like every month, second Tuesday of the month, every vendor provides their monthly patch Tuesday, which is giving the new vulnerabilities which were found for that month, either by themselves or any other vendor or independent researchers or any bug bounty program or whatever, right? So SAP being one of the best, I would say, biggest vendor around ERP space, they also follow the same approach or same sequence. So every second Tuesday, which was number the I believe sorry, for December it was 2 days ago, December the 13th, SAP came up with their December security patch day. So we're gonna briefly talk about how many nodes, how many security nodes we got for December, and just maybe just take initial uh, maybe take out you should maybe do on your side, or maybe something you should discuss with your basis and other stakeholder. So let's begin. So as I told before, we have one page, one URL. SAP kind of changed back from having a different URL for every month to one document, which I would share the link in my description as per other earlier videos as well. So one link which kind of keep on adding every month patch Tuesday. So December patch Tuesday 2022, same URL which you would find in our description for the video. Let's scroll. Okay, so let's see what we got. So on 13th of December 2022, SAP Security Patch Day was released, and we got 14 new patch security nodes. So 14 are brand new security nodes or vulnerabilities, or I think we use more vulnerability on for any other vendor from the cyber perspective. SAP calls it SAP security nodes, right? And then there were 5 updates to the previously released patch day security. So total of 19, 14 are brand new, and then 5 were updates to a security node which may have been released earlier. Okay, so if I begin the first one, which is a update to April 2018 patch day, which I have been seeing in multiple monthly patch Tuesdays. There have been multiple updates, and as is like hot news 10. So probably you may not have this, but if you have this uh, Google Chromium delivered with SAP Business Client version seen on the screen 6.5, 7.0, 7.7, and this is like a log4j for that. If you have that component, you should patch it immediately. uh, Maybe if you have patched it before, I think there's an update, maybe there seems to be new action you have to take. So refer to 2622660 note and see what update SAP released for December patch Tuesdays, and take those actions. This is hot news 10, which is like the most CVSS score any vulnerability can get. So if you have this, and if you have taken correction before, or if you have not taken any correction, time to look at it, and it's like a critical emergency change, and please fix it. Okay. For most of the customers, probably the Chromium one may not apply. You may not have in landscape, but there's chances you would have BOBJ business object, either as a BOBJ or BORS platform, or also you will have our middle or integration system called process integration, which is PI, or is now called PU, right? So the second one, 3239475, is for server-side request forgery vulnerability in SAP Business Object Business Intelligence Platform, which is again hot news with CVSS score of 9.9, which is pretty bad. Okay, so 3239475. If you have Business Object Platform version 420 or 430, please have a look at that node, get your basis guide to review it, and plan to take corrective action, which probably is gonna patch your BOBJ environment or BORS environment. So again, I have seen lately BOBJ coming into a lot of monthly patch Tuesdays with a lot of hot news. So that should be already high on your radar. and hopefully you have plan to update or patch your system. But if you're not, please make sure you review these hot news for the BOBJ and the bots environment, business object environment, and take corrective actions. Okay. And next, again, another hot news 9.9, again pretty high. This is for the PI system, as I said, for version 7.5. Again, the note is 3273480. You can see the CV number there as well. This is PI. If you have the 7.5 version and it does apply to you, this is again hot news. Please take corrective actions as per the note. I don't go deep in each note. Probably I can if you want us to, but this is more like giving a brief overview of what did we get and what we should be doing. Okay. So next one is about SAP Commerce. If you have SAP Commerce and Apache, this is again hot news with 9.8 scored, SAP note number 3271523. So if you have SAP Commerce, these versions here showing up the screen, please take corrective action, work with your basis guys, your business, and take appropriate downtime and plan and apply these fixes as per your whatever process and policy standard you have. Again, if I go again another hot news for again PI, which is like I would say new system probably showing up now. I think we had some PI before, but it's not been coming up lately. But this is like a improper access control in PI messaging system, same version 7.5. The note number is 3267780. Hot news 9.4, which is still pretty bad. So PI seems to be a pretty critical system for any customer because it touches a lot of systems. It is like the system which kind of do a lot of data kind of movement from SAP to non-SAP, and in either way inbound and outbound connections. So I think these two PI vulnerabilities, nodes, hot news, I would be focusing on that for sure this time. So that is all about hot news. I think we had 5 hot news, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 were PI, and 1 was Google Chromium, 1 was Commerce Cloud, right? So 2, 3, 4, and I guess did we miss one? Okay, so yeah, Google Chromium, BOBJ, PI, SAP Commerce, right? So that covers all the 5 hot news. Coming back to the high ones, the next one is 3268172. This is like it may impact your entire landscape because SAP basis, which is our core component version, and it impacts all the different versions. So it's high. It's not as bad as the hot news, but it's still pretty I would say high from the vulnerability also, and based on this would be impacting our entire ABAP landscape you have. So time to work with your basis, include this one in your list, and plan to apply these nodes and take corrective actions or whatever. If it's a patch or if it's just simply applying a node, please do that. Another one high, this is for the BPC 8.5 score, note number 3271091. If you have BPC in your landscape and then these versions, please work with your basis guys again. I think I'm repeating myself, but these are pretty bad one, and there are chance you have these in your landscape already. So take corrective actions there as well. If I again come to next one, this is for BOBJ, which seems to update to the October 2020 patch day 3229132 high again. So there would be some extra step or some corrective actions there. Same version 420 and 430. So you should be patching your business object environment because they have been showing up lately a lot. Next one is another high with 8 vulnerability score, cross-site scripting in SAP Commerce. Again, SAP Commerce system has been showing up as well. So if you have that in your landscape, please plan to take corrective actions there as well. Next one, another high, remaining high. So we have how many high? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 high. So last 5th high is for the UI5 component. Probably if you have Fiori and UI5, which probably you have if you are pretty decent on the SAP roadmap. 3249990, 7.5 score, not that bad. It's still, I would say, it's high. So please review this note, and if it's applied to landscape, yeah, please do patch it or apply the notes. Okay. About mediums, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have the remaining medium, 9 medium, no low this time. So remaining are 9 medium. Okay, this should also be patched. So there is I got different versions here. I can see SAP AS for Java, probably which you have it, which is cross-site scripting. It can be bad. Solution Manager, I see it. I see it. Normal ABAP system, I see again ABAP system. I see Solution Manager. I see again Network ABAP system. Then I see again Business Object. And then you have sourcing and contract lifecycle management, and that's all. So yeah, I would say focus on critical and high first, and maybe include these medium ones in your recurring patching process. Maybe you can do like quarterly, whatever process you have. So mediums probably can wait. They are not that bad, but it seems like they're still impacting your entire landscape. But yeah, if I have to say one thing or two thing, or if to take two or four, or like the main, I would say, things you have to worry or you will lose your sleep, I would be focusing on the BOBJs and the PI one, which is hot news, and then the probably BPC and the other Commerce Cloud if you have, or the UI5 Fiori you have. Okay, so 14 new patch and 5 updated, so total 19. 5 hot news, 1 2 3 4 5 highs, and then I guess 9 mediums, total 19. Okay, so that was it for December monthly patch security, SAP Security Patch Day for December 2022. Please put your comments, give us a feedback. I think those comments does motivate us to put more content like this and to give back to this community. So if you ask our motto, or why we are doing it to give back to our community, and also maybe expand the knowledge, because SAP security team seems to just focus on as traditional security, like these things. Probably we think this is the basis thing, but no, if you are SAP security responsible for securing your customer or whosoever you're supporting, this is also should be part of your job. So that's our goal. Just try to talk and maybe talk about what's going on, anything we learn, or just give back to the community. So I appreciate all the feedback, and keep doing what you do, keep learning, help each other, and share knowledge. And yeah, so if you like our videos, our channel, give a thumbs up and like and subscribe. I think that those does help us to try to put more videos, and also yeah, add your comments. I think we had a one lovely comment this I would say today, which was pretty encouraging, which we put up another video around SAP authorization trace, and somebody from Brazil gave a pretty I think encouraging and lovely. I think he sent a lot of love from Brazil, which and we love Brazil. I was rooting for Brazil in the World Cup. Unfortunately, they lost, but yeah. So yeah, I think those comments does motivate us. So please keep doing that. Please keep pouring your love and support, and yeah, keep doing what you do. Keep your systems, your SAP systems secure, and yeah, help each other. That's what we do. So thank you. Bye. Take care.